TV.
Sunday Night Football from Denver, brought to you by Southwest Airlines. Find Southwest Airlines fares online. Only at Southwest.
Yeah, coming at it from that angle is probably better, right?
Visit Kia.com more. By DirecTV. Pull yourself a sports day, you've got to get DirecTV. And by Bud Light, stay in the game, drink responsibly.
Yeah, you can't just bash everything.
Sunday evening, offensive play of the season begins at the 20-yard line. Running at the center, Paul is the running back. Flip to the outside, Emmanuel Sanders comes over from Pittsburgh, gains 4, DeRon Landry makes the tackle. His 2 years in Denver, remember, nobody knew how he was following that neck surgery, 4 of them, in fact. But look at that. Got about a 4-to-1 ratio, touchdowns to interceptions. Won the MVP award last year. John Elway brought him here. Elway responsible for the top position of the team, and watches Manning now on play action with a throw and hit his man Sanders. So Pittsburgh, and they go to
Well, you want to play man-to-man and bring some pressure on.
What are you doing?
You have to cover these wideouts one-on-one. And one guy last year was Emmanuel Sanders. We had a chance to watch him in practice. He is lightning quick. This is a dimension that the Broncos didn't have opposite Demaryius Thomas a season ago.
and they can really use him tonight. Wes Walker is